everyone and welcome back to Arius's How-Tos. I hope you all are doing well. In the last video I showed you guys my setup, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own logo using Canva. So what is Canva? Let's find out. Canva is a versatile and super powerful tool for creating all types of designs, from social media templates for Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube, to things like birthday cards, invites, and even presentations. Canva is really a one-stop shop for all your design needs. Signing up is free and very easy to do. So once you log in, you're good to go. In this how-to, we will be focusing on how to create a logo. A logo is super essential as people can immediately associate it with your brand. This is the first step in creating a brand image. So let's get to it. So this is what it looks like once you've logged into Canva. As you can see from the home page, all the options are there. As mentioned earlier, you have presentations, Instagram stories, posts, videos, and a whole host of design possibilities. We can even search for the design we want to create by clicking on the search bar and typing what we need. So since we're focusing on logos today, let's search for logo. And then from there we will select the blank option. Now this is our design file, and on the left we can see all the logo templates which we can use and customize to design our own logo. So let's choose this design right here. It's a nice clean one. And let's change up a few of the elements to make it our own. All the elements you can see on this template are customizable. All we need to do is click on a particular one and use our creativity. Now I'll start by changing the background color. So I just need to select the background and click on this button, which will allow me to try different color options. Alright, now let's change some of these other elements. First, I will ungroup them, and I can do that by selecting them and clicking on ungroup from this top bar. This allows me to move the elements around freely separately from one another. Let's go ahead and change the text. Both here, let's write Arius and Dahlia. And A&D skits below. If this is too simple, let's play around with this element. I can increase and decrease the size by dragging the corner. I'm also able to move it around and place it anywhere. The pink lines help you align the image correctly. Certain design elements are set in layers, such as this anchor. So in order to be able to change one, we have to make sure that it is in the foreground. So let's change the position. Let's click on position here and choose backward. Now I can select the anchor. I can even tilt the elements with this turn wheel over here. That will allow me to move it in any direction I want. This can be also done with the text if you wanted to. We can also change the color of the elements. So just by selecting them, I'm able to then choose what color I want. We can pick this. Not just that, we can also change the font by selecting the written element and going to the font menu. All the fonts that do not have this little gold crown can be used freely. The gold ones are part of the Pro features. So there really are a ton of options. And of course, we can always change the size of our text by clicking this option right here and simply selecting the size we want, either making it bigger or smaller. We can also use basic shapes and lines. So if we wanted to add anything else, we can just select it and include it in our design. These are found in the Elements section, and here I can search for a shape. Let's see. Again, anything without a crown is available to us on the free version. Let's say we want to use this one. I can of course change the color. Let's make it light blue. And then we need to obviously change the position so it isn't covering up my design. So I go ahead and click on position again and then backward. I can enlarge my triangle by dragging the corners and move around the various elements until I'm happy with my design. Okay, that looks good. If you end up not liking a change you've just made or you made a mistake, you can always click on the undo arrow to go back to your previous design. So here your logo is ready. Now I need to go ahead and download it, and for that I press the download button. And as suggested, we need to save it as a PNG file type. So click download. And there it is. Our logo is ready to be used. Canva autosaves everything. So if you want to customize this design further at a later date and use your creative genius, then you always have that option. Okay, back to the blank canvas. I will share how easy it was for me to create the A&D Skits logo. We'll do this one from scratch. I started by changing the background to black. And if you remember, elements is where we have our shapes and other design features. So let's click on elements and look for circle. Again, lots of options to choose from, but this is the one I chose, so I'm going to select this. Next up, the text. If you look on the left, you also have a text option. When you click on this, it allows you to select from a variety of text designs that you can then of course change into the text you want. However, for our particular design, we don't even need these. We click on Add a Heading and simply type the text we want. So here, I can write A&D Skits and then choose my choice of font as well as the color. We have the option of selecting the same color as our circle, making it super easy to match the two elements. I then position my text within the circle, again by tilting and increasing the size. Perfect, and that's it. Since I already have a prepared logo, I don't need to download it. But you would need to follow the same steps if you want to use this design. Let me give you a quick demo of how you can use the logo you've just created. Say I'm creating an Instagram post. First, I need to upload the designs that I've created by going to the Upload section and clicking on Upload Media and selecting Device, and then choosing the file I want. Canva designs are saved directly to your downloads. So let's go ahead and select the logo. Okay, now let's say we take this picture and let's pick the first logo design we created so that everyone knows it's an A&D Skits post. Let's go ahead and align it. Now that the logo is in my uploads, I can use it in any design or video in the future. How easy was that? You can create something so professional in a matter of minutes. Canva is limitless and so is your creativity. So give it a go. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Drop a comment if you have any questions and leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss my how-tos. See you in the next one.